The vertical flame test, ASTM D6413, is very important to our industry because it determines whether a fabric is flame resistant or it's not, so it's important to have a rough understanding of what this test does. We start with a 12-inch long, 3-inch wide piece of fabric. We then expose the bottom edge of it vertically to a flame for 12 seconds. If it burns up, it's not flame resistant. If it doesn't burn up, then we're going to measure the char length. There's going to be some damage where the flame hit the fabric, and we're going to measure that. That's called char length. So we report char length after flame, which is whether there was any fire when the flame is removed and how long it lasts, after glow, which is whether that sample has a glow to it or not, and char length. After flame and after glow are simply measured and reported. They're not pass-fail. But char length is pass-fail. That length is different depending upon the standard. So another important point is to know that NFPA 2112, the flash fire standard, requires a 4-inch char length, whereas ASTM F1506, which is more an arc flash standard, requires a 6-inch char length. But either way, if the fabric does not burn the entire length, as long as that char length is below either 4 or 6 inches, it passes the test. So we will then repeat this test 5 times and average the results, and that char length is the result for that fabric.